bring this Bugs Bunny to life. And so they're much more animated.
Little cloud. Hello, my little artists. Today we are drawing a very famous cartoon character. His name is Bugs Bunny. First, I draw Bugs Bunny carefully, big eyes and happy smile. I make his long ears
with fun and dreams. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly from afar, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkle bright, guiding dreams throughout the night.
Now I color his ears. They look tall and funny. Next, I color his face with gray color. Bugs Bunny looks soft and cute.
Shining brightly from afar, up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkle bright, guiding dreams throughout the night. Magic lights that glow and gleam, filling hearts with fun and dreams.
Now I color his hands. They are ready to hold something special.
World so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkle bright, guiding
Then
dreams throughout
I color
the
his
night.
body and
Magic
chest.
lights that glow
Bugs
and
Bunny
gleam,
is getting
filling
ready.
hearts with
After
fun
that,
and dreams.
I color his feet. Now he can stand and jump. Next, I color his tongue. It looks funny and cute.
Little star, shining brightly from afar.
Now I color his mouth. He is smiling happily.
Like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, sparkle bright, guiding dreams throughout
Then
the
I
night.
color the carrot.
Magic
Bugs
lights that
Bunny
glow
loves
and gleam,
carrots. Bugs
filling
Bunny is
hearts
a
with
smart
fun
and funny
dreams.
rabbit. He loves to eat carrots and make people laugh. Kids, have you ever watched the Bugs Bunny cartoon? It is a very beautiful cartoon, and Bugs Bunny is a very nice character. Wow! Great job, my little artists! Our Bugs Bunny is ready now. See you in the next video. Bye-bye!
Hi kids, subscribe our channel Little Cloud.
Shining brightly from afar.
Little Cloud.